Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we will explore Yotpo's powerful 2-in-1 review requests feature. My name is Tal, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for 4 years, and I will guide you through this video. So, growing your business and building customer trust relies on one key factor: collecting high-quality reviews. But how can you boost site reviews without impacting product reviews collection? Yotpo has the perfect solution. Introducing Yotpo's 2-in-1 review requests. Here's how it works. When your customer receives a product review request, they are then automatically promoted for a site review after submitting their feedback. No extra emails needed, just one smooth, seamless flow. And why is this so important? Keeping up with your Google seller rating quota can be challenging if you're only focused on product reviews. Yotpo's 2-in-1 review requests help you gather both product and site reviews effortlessly, boosting trust and visibility without missing a step. Remember, to display seller rating in Google Ads, you need to have at least 100 verified reviews per country annually, with an average star rating of 3.5. Google's updated rules make authentic collection crucial, and the 2-in-1 review request ensures seamless compliance. This is how it looks on Google. Now, let's break down the key benefits. Collect more reviews. With the 2-in-1 feature, 60% of shoppers who leave a product review also submit a site review, which allows you to easily meet Google requirements to ensure your star rating appear on Google Ads by meeting the annual quota. That will help you to boost visibility. Seller ratings in your ads can increase click-through rates by up to 10%, helping your brand stand out and attract more traffic. Let's hear a bit what customers have to say about that feature. Since switching to a review solution that empowers us to implement star rating in Google, Hope Health Supplies has seen a huge uplift in traffic and very positive ad result. It's been truly game-changing. Even though the brand launched recently, they now have the most reviewed cookware set. In just 3 months of activating the 2-in-1 site review requests, Caraway Home has collected as many site reviews as the previous 3 months' total reviews. They've seen a 140% uplift in conversion. That's some powerful social proof. After we started using Yotpo, our response rate to review requests increased 20% compared to our previous solution. With more reviews, we were able to rise to the first result on Google for the search term vanilla beans. The proof is in the pudding, Conley explained. Just search vanilla beans in Google and see what shows up. Let's talk a bit about the target audience and limitation. The 2-in-1 review request feature available across all platforms and all of Yotpo plans. To summarize, here's a short recap. So, from business value perspective, Yotpo's 2-in-1 review requests streamline the process of collecting both product and site reviews, boosting customers' trust, increasing visibility on Google Ads, and customer engagement. How? Customers receive a single review request email that seamlessly gathers feedback for both the product and the site, meeting Google's seller rating requirements without added effort. And the result? Brands using this feature see that 60% of their customers leave a site review after the product review. Brands like Caraway see an increase in conversions of 140%, and improved Google ad performance with click-through rates increasing by up to 10%. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video in the series.